Right now, there's a massive glitch in the used car market. While 90% of buyers are fighting over the same three Toyotas and Hondas, driving prices up by as much as $5,000, there are three specific SUVs sitting on dealer lots, completely ignored, that are actually better built than the famous models. I've been a mechanic for 20 years, and I'm going to show you a secret Toyota that most people think is just a weird station wagon, but it actually has a drivetrain that's more reliable than a Lexus. If you buy number one on this list, you are getting a 300,000-mile tank for the price of a used moped. The mystery isn't why these cars are cheap. The mystery is why everyone is still ignoring them. Let's look at the gold mines. Welcome back. Before we reveal number 3, we have to talk about the hype tax. In 2026, the car market is driven by search engines. When everyone searches for reliable SUV, the same 5 names pop up: RAV4, CR-V, 4Runner, Tahoe, and Pilot. Because everyone is searching for them, demand skyrockets. When demand skyrockets, dealers don't have to negotiate. You end up paying a popularity premium of $3,000 to $5,000 just for the badge. The mechanic's secret is reliability isn't a brand, it's an engine code. Manufacturers often take their most bulletproof engines and transmissions and put them into experimental body styles that the public doesn't quite understand. These vehicles become the ultimate used car hacks. They have the heart of a legend, but the body of an outcast. To make our goldmine list, these SUVs had to pass 4 brutal tests. The legacy powertrain. It must use an engine and transmission that has already proven it can hit 250,000 miles in other models. The boring factor. It has to be a car that looks plain enough that teenage drivers and status seekers aren't interested in it. The Repair Pal Index. It must have an average annual repair cost of under $500. Parts availability. You must be able to buy parts at any local AutoZone or O'Reilly's. No special order European nightmares allowed. Coming in at number 3 is a vehicle that is finally starting to get its flowers, but is still largely ignored by the Toyota or bust crowd, the Mazda CX-5. For years, people ignored Mazda because of their rust issues in the early 2000s, but in 2013, Mazda did something revolutionary. They introduced Sky Active technology. While Ford, Chevy, and even Honda were moving toward tiny 1.5-liter engines with massive turbochargers, Mazda went the opposite way. They built a high-compression 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine. Why it's a gold mine? Turbos generate heat. Heat kills engines. By staying naturally aspirated, the Mazda CX-5 avoids the internal stress that causes modern engines to blow head gaskets at 120,000 miles. The transmission miracle. This is the part everyone ignores. Almost every compact SUV today, the Rogue, the CR-V, the Forester, uses a CVT, a continuously variable transmission. CVTs use a steel belt. They are efficient, but they are fragile. When a CVT fails, it's a $6,000 to $8,000 replacement. Mazda refused to use a CVT. They built a heavy-duty 6-speed torque converter automatic. It feels mechanical, it's responsive, and most importantly, it's built to last the life of the car. The numbers. Reliability score. Repair Pal gives it a 4.5 out of 5.0. Maintenance cost, roughly $447 a year. What to look for? Look for the 2013 to 2016 models for the best cheap entry point. If you want a bit more luxury, the 2017 redesign added incredible soundproofing. The mechanics catch. The only thing to watch for is the carbon buildup common in direct injection engines. If you get the intake valves cleaned every 80,000 miles, this car will easily see 300,000 miles. Number 2 is the 2013 to 2018 Acura RDX. This is the definition of a gold mine. Luxury buyers ignore it because it doesn't have the flashy screens of a new Mercedes. Budget buyers ignore it because they're afraid of the Acura price tag. The secret under the hood. The 2013 to 2018 RDX is essentially a Honda CR-V that went to the gym and put on a suit. But here is the kicker. While the CR-V of that era had a 4-cylinder engine, the RDX came with the J35 3.5-liter V6. The mechanics deep dive. The Honda J-Series V6 is one of the top 5 greatest engines ever built. It's the same engine found in the Honda Odyssey and the Pilot. It is smooth, it is powerful, and it is simple. Why people ignore it? People see Acura and think premium gas and expensive parts. But because it shares 80% of its components with the Honda Accord and CR-V, you can buy parts at any Honda dealer for economy prices. The 300K potential. I have a client with a 2014 RDX who just hit 380,000 miles. His total repairs over 10 years, a set of struts, an alternator, and regular timing belt changes. The goldmine buying strategy. Look for a high mileage, 120K plus version where the owner has already performed the timing belt and water pump service. Since that service costs about $1,200, buying one where it's already done means you're getting the next 100,000 miles for almost zero maintenance cost. Consumer data. Reliability, 4.4 out of 5.0 stars on major review sites. Resale value, it holds its value better than BMW or Audi, but sits significantly lower than Lexus, making it the perfect value luxury SUV. Here it is, the #1 SUV everyone ignores that is an absolute goldmine. The Toyota Venza, first generation. Why does everyone ignore the Venza? Because Toyota made a marketing mistake. It was too big to be a wagon and too sleek to be a traditional SUV. In 2010, the crossover craze hadn't fully hit yet, so people just didn't buy it. Why it's an absolute goldmine? The Venza is built on the Highlander and Camry chassis. It is mechanically identical to the vehicles that people pay a $5,000 premium for. Engine options. The 2.7-liter 4-cylinder. This is the budget choice. It's unkillable. The 3.5-liter V6, 2GR-FE. This is the engine you want. This V6 is legendary in the mechanic community. It's used in the Lexus RX 350 and the Toyota Sienna. It's a non-interference engine that can handle extreme neglect and still keep ticking. The luxury secret. The Venza was positioned as a premium vehicle. Even the base models have better sound insulation, higher quality plastics, and more comfortable seats than a RAV4 the same year. The cost analysis. You can often find a 2012 Venza V6 with 100,000 miles for $11,000 to $13,000. A Highlander of the same year with the same mileage will cost you $17,000. You are saving $4,000 for the exact same mechanical reliability. The mechanic's inspection list for the Venza. Check the power liftgate. They are known to get lazy over time. Inspect the panoramic sunroof seals. Look for the VVTi rattle on cold start, a common but fixable Toyota V6 quirk. If those 3 things are solid, you have found a vehicle that will likely outlive you. Now, finding the goldmine is only half the battle. If you want that Mazda, Acura, or Toyota to hit 300,000 miles, you have to stop listening to the official maintenance guide. The manufacturers lie. Manufacturers want to claim their cars are low maintenance so they can sell them to fleet companies. They will tell you to change your oil every 10,000 miles. The mechanic's truth. Oil is cheap. Engines are expensive. If you want your Venza or RDX to last forever, you change that oil every 5,000 miles. Period. The lifeblood checklist. Transmission fluid. Manufacturers say it's lifetime fluid. In the shop, we call that lifetime of the warranty. Flush it every 60,000 miles. Coolant. Use the specific OEM pink or blue coolant. Mixing generic green coolant into these Japanese systems will eat your water pump from the inside out. The Italian tune-up. These engines, especially the V6s, need to be driven. Once a week, get on the highway and let the engine reach its full RPM range. It helps clear out carbon deposits and keeps the seals lubricated. Conclusion and the avoid list. The smart money in 2026 isn't buying what's popular, it's buying what's proven. The Mazda CX-5, the Acura RDX, and the Toyota Venza are the 3 best-kept secrets in the automotive world. They offer luxury, space, and bulletproof reliability without the hype tax. Your next step. Finding the right car is great, but avoiding the wrong car is even more important. I just finished a report on the 5 SUVs that are currently rotting on dealer lots because they have catastrophic engine failures. You need to see that list before you spend a single dollar. Click this video right here to see the SUVs that will bankrupt you. Don't be a victim of a bad car deal. I'll see you over there.